up? Welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we are gonna do a fitness haul with a few things I bought, because guys, I'm always telling you, since a few months ago I have been working out to get back into shape after working such a long time. It may not seem too long, but I did work over a year of just sitting at a desk and getting no exercise, so I have to slowly get back into exercising again. So I wanted to show you guys a few things that I got help me basically just get back into the shape I want to be, a healthy shape, and lose a lot of body fat that I just don't need. So guys, I'm gonna do just a haul of a few things that I got to just help me out with that. So the first thing guys we're gonna do is clothes. If you guys can see, I have this little shirt on. It says 30 days and it has a blank challenge. Let me see if I can show this to you guys. Okay, right here. So this is from actually my online store that I just created this t-shirt because I wanted to do something every 30 days. I wanted to have a goal every 30 days so I can have something I'm working on, something I want to complete, and see a difference. It doesn't have to be a huge difference, just something for me to see a difference and improvement in my health overall. So that's why I made this little shirt, and I just ordered it off my online store. If you guys want one, you can definitely click on my link below to grab one, as well as I got another little tank top kind of shirt, and this says healthy body, healthy life. So it's the same thing, just a different little logo on it. So I have a few ones I'm excited to create because I want to wear them, and I love the color. The green really pops. So guys, that's my first thing. Next thing is I'm gonna show you guys a few bottoms that I got. One of the things I'm notoriously bad at is actually buying a bunch of tops and sports bras, but I really just fall short when it comes to actually getting bottoms. So I went to Ross and got a few things. The first one I got is this pants. This is more of a yoga pants, but guys, I love actually buying these yoga pants to work out on because they're super flexible, and the color wasn't too bad. I liked, it's a nice little simple purple, so it's not bad at all, and definitely found my size. I always get extra large, and even then this is how big it gets, and I get it because it has to fit over my bottom. That's one of the pants I got. And this again this is actually from Yogalicious Luxe. A lot of the pants I'm used to buying, they're more Nike, Adidas, Under Armour kind of clothes, but I went to Ross last time because I was trying to definitely save on money, so I got these yoga pants because they were on sale. Really nice sales. And this is another yoga. This is camel black combo, and this is it. And these are crop, they're not complete leggings, these are more crop pants. I like it because it comes with a little pocket to put your phone in. And I actually, because I like black works for me when I work out, especially if I go outside running. I got 3 of those, and I got 1 of these pants. Again guys, they're having a really nice sale, so I think I paid about $3 to $6 for each of these, and I'm happy about that. I realize I don't need to spend a bunch of money on workout clothes to have nice workout clothes to do my workout, especially for right now guys. I'm not going crazy like lifting weights or anything, so these were perfect for me for my slow workouts I'm doing, so they are gonna be a perfect match for me. Now the next thing I wanted to show you guys are these. I'm pretty sure you guys seen these. If you haven't seen them on my Vlogmas video, I got these at Walmart. They're just basic top, and these are from Avia. Yes, Avia. And these are just kind of tank top, and I got all of these guys for $1. I also got this black one for $1. I thought it was really cool. The back design is really nice actually. I like it. It has the little mesh design on there, and it's a little flipped up. So I like the tops that comes with it. It's gonna be hot. I'm not gonna need to wear a bunch of jackets and all that like I would for winter. So I like the fact that I got these. Again guys, Walmart tank tops. I got, this is the Avia brand. I thought this tank top looked really nice. It was really cool. I actually got it because of the way it looks. Kind of looked like one of my Nike tank tops, but I figured this would be really nice to work out on. It has a really nice elasticity band on the back, so it'd be great to help me hold up. This is for more when I'm running, and these guys are more for when I'm in the house. I do my home workout, and I'll have these, and these are actually from Athletic Works. Yes, these are Athletic Works. They're the exact same one. I got 3 of these, so it'll be all 3 for me to wear, and I like these. They do have a little band on the back as well. The only thing is the little straps are a little thinner than I would like, but I'll put up with it for the good price. Now my last one is, I actually got this as Ross. This is a Calvin Klein workout top, guys. So again, this would be more for when I'm in the house, nothing big. I could wear this to go out running, but I like the more sturdy top when I go outside. It's black, it has a little bit of padding on it. The lining, all this lining is pretty thick, so it helps with that. So I like this one better, this type. I'm gonna probably go get these types more from Walmart to get them when I need to work out, when I need more. So that is it for when it comes to clothing. I have this stack of stuff, this stack of clothes. This is top, tank tops, pants. I am ready to go when it comes to clothes. Now, something I saw at Walmart, I didn't really care about these guys when I saw them, but I realized sometime I go to the park now, I want to go and have a longer run and just spend the day out to get some sunlight and just be outside of the house because I work from home, guys. I like never leave the house pretty much, but I saw these were on sale, so I thought, why not grab a few packs of them? Because whenever I work out outside, I sweat a lot, especially if I'm away in the park. I'm gonna be sweating a lot, and I don't want that sweat to stay on my skin and cause crazy breakout that I don't need. You guys see that I'm working on fixing my skin. I thought it'd be great to get these wipes, and this is Hustle and Clean brand, and they have one. This is a face wipe. It is unscented, removes sweat and dirt post workout. So this is great. I can just drop this in my bag when I go work out, when I'm out, or even at the gym once I want to start going to the gym, hopefully soon. But for now, when I'm working out outside, I go away from home like I'm at the park. I can actually use one of these to wipe my face, not just a regular towel. And they also have the body ones. And this is the lavender scent. The body, I don't mind the scent so much because it's going to be on my body, and I know lavender usually don't cause me any irritation. So I didn't mind getting this one. And by the way, guys, the face wipe was $174 and the body wipes are $2. Usually this is $9.97 and this is $6.97. So I thought, why not? And I did get a stack of them. I got 3, the ones that were on the shelf. So I ended up just grabbing what was there. Actually one more, so 4. I got 4 of these guys. So guys, the last thing I wanted to show you are these little sneakers. And these are Athletic Works as well. I got these at Walmart while I'm waiting to order my other running shoes because my other shoes are pretty worn in, and I need some new shoes. And while I was buying all these guys, these were on sale. So I figured I'd just grab these as a substitute for now. And these were $2, guys, nothing. So the fact that I have some of these to work out with, I tried them on. They felt really soft and comfortable, something for a few days while I'm in between shoes. So another little goodie to keep track of. So guys, these are my stack of stuff that I purchased to help me with my new workout. Definitely can't wait to get back in way better shape. And one other thing I don't have here with me that I recently got is my scale. Still learning how to use that scale from Better Home. I got it at Walmart. If you guys seen one of my old videos, you will see me showing that same scale to you. That's going to help me keep up with my weight. Now, usually I wouldn't be the type of person to actually weigh myself because I don't really care about how much I weigh more than me getting back into shape. But I realize it is a good tool for me, at least, to weigh myself, see my progress, see how much body fat I have, because that scale does a lot. Actually, it doesn't just weigh you. It tells you your body mass, your fat, your body fat, your water, the water ratio that's in your body. A lot of things, guys, that I have to learn. But it does more than just measure how much you weigh. So I'm going to be using that scale for a lot of other things, actually, instead of just measuring my weight. So guys, that's it for my haul today. It's a lot of tops, workout pants, some little shoes to get me in between while I wait for my other pair of shoes, as well as some wipes to keep my skin clear and keep it from breaking out while I'm working out, because I'm working on building up the intensity of my workout. So they're going to be great to help keep away breakouts. So that's it, guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, of course, subscribe to my channel, guys. And don't forget to click that little notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos that are coming out. Of course, always leave your comments down below and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to go over, guys, and watch my last video.